Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the Smeg Washing Machine, the dispenser drawer compartments and what goes in what compartment. I don't know about you, but I'm always forgetting what goes in what compartment. Right, let's get cracking. This is the Smeg washing machine here, and the dispenser drawer is on the top left hand corner, so just pull it out until it reaches the clip. If you want to remove it completely for cleaning, there's a link above now about how to do that. Right, let's look at the compartment drawers. This first compartment with the two lines symbol on it is where your main detergent goes. The amount of liquid detergent that you use is dependent on the size of the load, the type and the quantity of the clothes that you've got in there and how dirty they are, and also the hardness of the water in your area. Okay, let's move on to the next compartment, and the middle compartment here with the fabric softener icon on it is actually for your fabric softener. Now it's really important to don't ever put it over the maximum mark. You can also put in here any starch or additives or treatment products. Anything put in this compartment will be put into the washing machine during the final rinse. And the final compartment with the one dash symbol on it is where you put your pre-wash detergent. The pre-wash cycle is an extra cycle that can be added at the beginning of your washing machine, just in case you've got any extra dirt on your clothes. And there's a link above now about what to do if your washing machine is not draining water properly. Now I need to do some washing, but before that I'm going to have a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. If there's any other useful videos around here, then please select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel everyone, I really appreciate it.